This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this very famous chateau, this very famous winery classified during the 2012 classification of the wines of Saint-Émilion in the border wine region of France. We are looking at how to pronounce the name Château La Tour Figeac. Château La Tour Figeac, this famous wine estate in the border wine region of France, with the typical French pronunciation Château La Tour Figeac. Château La Tour Figeac. Château La Tour Figeac. But it'd be fine in English or American to say Château La Tour Figeac. Château La Tour Figeac. Here is a video about all the famous top wine estates in Saint-Émilion and the famous classification of the wines of Saint-Émilion, updated in 2012. I'll leave you to it, and I'll see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.